Hi viewers, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Samiullah Khan 92. Today we are working on the floor standing unit of York air conditioning. So we are going to remove the indoor coil of the York floor standing air condition. So why we remove this coil? Because there is a lot of smell coming from the inside of the coil. Very dirty smell came, and the hall area, this is in the hall area, sitting area, and not easy to sit that area in that area because of the smell. So we remove this coil. All steps I show in this video, so you can see everything step by step. You can see now you can remove this plate and drain tray before we remove the drain tray, and these are the cover we remove, and then you can remove the top cover of the unit to remove this coil. And step by step we tell everything in this video, so you can see easily. And when you need to remove this coil, you can easily remove this coil. And now we are removing. There are on the top there are 4 screws on the top, so you need to remove these all screw, and then you can remove the coil. You need to remove the coil. You can see we remove this coil. This come outside now. You can see the coil is out now. This is on the top. I show you the blower. So our coil is out now for washing, so you can wash it in a good way. Then to remove all the smell came from this machine. You can see this, we are washing the coil, so wash it in a good way, so it will be coming better after washing. Water pressure pump, it's good to wash it without water pressure pump. Use some soap in this because of very bad smell. That's why we use the soap in this system. So we are done washing. After washing, we are going to return this coil. You can see the same method. You need to return this coil, screw on the top, and then you can fit the panel. The control, this is screws in the drain of the unit. These are the screw of the control panel, and you can see everything step by step in this video, so easily you can fix this unit. I make this in quick speed, this video, to save your time. So you can see everything is done now. We put the cover back, and after this work our problem is solved. Our problem is already solved now. There is no smell coming in the system now. Again, you can fix your flare nuts, which we open to remove the coil. These are the flare nuts, and then we already make it pump down this system. Our freon is in the outdoor. We close it in the outdoor. So this is all how to remove and reinstall the cooling coil of in a floor standing unit. Put some insulation tape on the piping, because if you didn't put this insulation tape, it will drop water. You will get drop water from this area. So this is all about the floor standing unit cooling coil, how to remove and how to reinstall. So all done here now. So we are going to start our machine. Okay, that's it. We on the machine and it was running. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel Samiullah Khan 92. Like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.